Going to Roman 3, in case you have questions, drop them in the comment section. Part 3 says, calculate the velocity. So, part 3 asks about velocity. Now, what do we have already? What we have already here is that the question has given us the displacement. But now, the next thing that they need from us is the velocity. What is velocity? Velocity is the rate of change of displacement. Therefore, velocity is what we know that it is the same as ds dt. ds dt is the rate of change of displacement. That means we need to differentiate the given function of displacement. And displacement is given as t cubed plus 3t squared plus 5. Now let us get ds dt. This is the rate of change of displacement with time, which is the definition of velocity. I'm not going to explain how we differentiate. We know that this gives us the 3t squared plus 6t. Okay, this is the rate of change of displacement. Therefore, it means our velocity, which is the rate of change of displacement, is 3t squared plus 6t. Okay, this is the expression for the velocity at any time t. If you want to get the velocity at any time, this is the expression. But now the question says, when the time is 7 seconds, that is, when the particle has moved for time 7 seconds from the beginning, what is the velocity? So we come and say when the time is now 7 seconds, what is the velocity? Now, the velocity at 7 seconds becomes, this is now the time. This is the expression for velocity at any time. So we can substitute for the time 7 and we get the velocity at that time. 7 squared plus 6. T here is also 7. Then we simplify. 7 squared times 3 plus 7 times 6. I'm getting 189. 189. This is velocity, which is in meters per second. Confirm your answer before you leave. 7 squared times 3 plus 6 times 7. 189 meters per second. So this is the velocity when the particle has moved for 7 seconds. That is for part 3. Now for the last part, part 4 is calculate the acceleration. It has asked about acceleration. At what time? When the time is 8 seconds. Now, what is acceleration? Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with time. Therefore, A is dv dt. Okay? That means we need to get dv dt. How do we get dv dt? We need the expression for velocity at any time t. Our velocity at any time t is given by 3t squared plus 6t. Now we need to differentiate dv dt such that we get the rate at which the velocity changes with change in time. Therefore, from here dv dt equals to differentiate the expression for velocity at any time, which here gives us 660 plus 6. So this is the rate of change of velocity at any time. And by definition, acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Therefore, our acceleration at any time is 60 plus 6. That is the expression for acceleration at any time of the motion. But now they want the acceleration after 10 seconds. So therefore say when the time is 8 seconds, is 8 seconds, is 8 seconds. What is the acceleration? Acceleration now becomes, you come and use the expression at any time, substitute for t. 6 times t, and now my t is 8 plus 6. That is like 54. 8 times 6 plus 6. Yes, 54. 54 meters and squared second. Remember, this is acceleration. So therefore, the acceleration when the time is 8 seconds is 54 meters per squared second. This is the solution to part A. Let us go to part B in the next video. Thank you.